Welcome to Grandpa D Cooking Vlogs. Today I'm going to do Rice Krispie together with Grandpa D. Enjoy watching! These are our ingredients for the Rice Krispies. Lucky Charms, Rice Krispie, marshmallow, and butter. This is fun, Grandpa, putting butter in the pan. Let's do this more often, Grandpa.
Now we grease the pan with butter, okay? Do it like this. Go around again. Okay, go around the bottom, the sides. Okay, a little bit more. Go around like this. Okay, a little bit more. We start our easy, kid-friendly recipe of Rice Krispie by melting 1 stick of butter in the pan under low to medium heat. Once the butter melts, we can add the mini marshmallows. We stir continuously but gently until it completely dissolves and blends with the butter. Now it's time to add the Lucky Charm cereals. Next, the Rice Krispies. Continue stirring until everything is well blended. Next step would be to transfer the Rice Krispies to a greased pan.
Grandpa, let us decorate with Lucky Charms marshmallows.
Let's do this. You do this side and I'll do this side, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So what do we do next?
Okay. Just put everything on top.
Grandpa, now it's looking good and very delicious. I can't wait.
Okay. Just like this. Then you hold it flat like that. Slowly. Like this, you know. Just like that. Okay. Are you having fun? Yeah? Okay.
Grandpa, this is fun.
Make sure everything is flat so that it will look good. Okay, on the side. There you go. Okay. Wow, let's open it. Whoa, you did a good job, Liam. Now it's time to slice, Liam. Go. You can use 2 hands. Like that. Okay, go ahead. Like slicing? Come on. Put more pressure. Okay. Go. Wait. Okay. That's it. Then next one. Okay.
Grandpa, it's so crunchy and sticky.
Is it hard? You can do that. Alright. Come on. There you go. A little bit more. Slide it. Okay, next one. Okay. There you go. Come on, there you go. Come on. There you go. Now slide like this. Like that, okay? Oh, okay, that's it. Come on, okay, good, Liam. It's tasting time. Go ahead.
This one is for you.
For me, wow, okay, can't wait. There you go. Put it down. Okay. The other one?
And this one is for you.
For you, okay. Okay. There you go. One more. How was it? Good?
Good.
Okay. How about grandma and your mom? Gutom na ba kayo? Kain na na!
Gutom na ba kayo? Kain na na! If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. See you next time!
Thank you for watching.